Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for SUI price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Let's dive a little bit deeper for the bullish and bearish overview for SUI, of course, and we are looking for a drop toward the downside as expected. We are looking starting here with the psychology found where we have 1, 2 and then 3, 4 and a 5. We are very close to our invalidation of this impulse, of course, as 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 at a 2.25. If this price is taken, therefore we cannot consider, of course, an impulse anymore with a wave 5 towards the upside. We have, of course, other bullish scenarios that it has to be considered, which are, of course, A, B, and a C finished. You are looking for an A, B, and a C towards the downside to hit the blue box here between the 0.5 Fib level, 0.618, and then continuation toward the upside. Another scenario can be a double 1, 2 here for SUI, and then wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 toward the upside. Of course, after having A, B, and a C. So, of course, your estimated target here for a wave 2 can be given as the following. So, you would like to hit at least the 0.38 Fib level, which it is exactly under the invalidation of this impulse, right? So, basically, we are looking as well at a potential bullish scenario as well. Can start from this blue box here, which it can be also a possibility. Actually, why I'm having two here, I can use this one. Here we go. So this is also a potential for a for a wave 2 here, as a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Now, preferably, of course, the 0.5 is a much more common target, right? And then moving towards the upside. But the difference would be, of course, with the pattern here. Now, if we dive inside this one, we're going to see, of course, that we have two possibilities. This can be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, where you have finished a wave A and then B and a C, which it can, of course, be your bearish scenario here, and then moving toward the upside, of course, still as 1, 2, 1, 2, or it can be, of course, a 1, 2 starting exactly from here as an A, B, and a C. However, even in this case scenario, your wave C has to be, of course, 1 to 1 Fib level given at 0.5 Fib again, meaning higher possibility is for almost the 0.5 Fib level in both case scenario. If you are in ABC here, you would like to see, of course, a little bit more drop here to the 1.58 and then moving towards the upside potentially. If you are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, then you finished a bigger wave A, and then you're looking for a wave B, and then a deeper wave C, which it can hit the 0.618. So these are the differences, of course, between those bear markets. If we move on the daily here, we can see that we have, of course, on this count, we have kind of like 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Finishing a wave 3, main wave 3, and then 1, 2, 3, your wave 4 went into a triangle for a wave 4, of course, as A, B, C, D, E, and you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So the difference here is that this wave A can be finished here, and you're looking for a wave B again. This blue box has been hit, by the way, 0.38, and with the blue box, very nice. So basically, we can remove this. So this is your first scenario, a deeper scenario for, of course, a bearish here. You're gonna seek for higher and then moving toward the downside. The other scenario is the following. You have finished here 3 waves toward the downside, A, B, C. This triangle represents a wave B because it can very simply be a wave B. And then having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C. Yeah, so your wave C might be here with a very fast wave 2. Yeah, and then very bullish toward the upside. The key scenario right now is inside this area. So if we move on the 4-hour chart, as you can see, we have here a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 without taking the low. Yeah, it did not take the low until now. Yeah. And that means this, of course, is a great impulse, very nice impulse, without taking the low. Give higher possibility that this is a bigger wave toward the downside, yeah, because we are looking at 1 2 and then again 1 2, potentially 3 4 and a 5, meaning higher possibility for a wave C, meaning higher possibility that you have finished A, B in a triangle and you're looking for a 1 2 3 4 and a 5. This is how now the scenarios are working in possibilities, of course. And even with this one, with this impulse right now, we still didn't took the low, or we took it in few dollars, right? As you can see here. If we dive a little bit deeper here inside this impulse, you can see you have 1 2, 1 2 3 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 potentially finished right now. And basically this represents, of course, a wave 1 here, 2, and potentially wave 3, 4 and a 5. This is a ending diagonal? It can be, because you started already with an impulse, right? Now the thing is to check if this is a ending diagonal is the following. Here we go. Wave 3 as ending diagonal. Wave 3 diagonal. Here we go. We have hit perfectly the fib levels for an ending diagonal, right? Which it can be as well a wave 5, yeah, and a big wave A, but don't forget it's unfinished, yeah, because yeah, if you see an impulse here not taking the low, wave 2, and then moving down again, this has transformed to a zigzag, right? And that is not, of course, finishing a wave A or an impulse, so something is not finished. Therefore, higher possibility goes for an A, B in a zigzag, 1 2 3 4 5 for a wave C, for a wave 2, and then moving towards the upside. Now, the scenario is, do we have a leading diagonal 1 2 3 4 and a 5, or do we have a 1 2 and then 1 2 and then 3 4 5 4 5, even for lower prices? Yeah, so very, very questionable price action here for SUI, so we have to be careful with it. However, in both case scenario, we might see now retracement toward the upside. In case we are in a wave 4 here for a diagonal, you are looking for this blue box right now, 0.38, 0.5. Here we go. And yeah, this is of course our blue box. And now, as you can see as well, this wave 3 here is very, very fast. Yeah, I mean, looking at this wave 1, it took a lot of time. Your wave 3 here didn't took the same momentum, right? It is a faster momentum. Therefore, yeah, be careful. Higher possibility goes for double 1 2 as well. Is it double 1 2 here? So we're gonna add a wave 1, and we're looking at the same fib level in case we are in 1 2 again, 3 4 and a 5 toward the downside. So yeah, these are the scenarios for SUI, guys. Of course, we are looking for this bear market in general. I would say, of course, the 0.5 is still a very nice target, of course, for SUI, meaning this 0.5 here at 1.58 is our target for SUI for higher prices in double 1 2. Very sharp bear market, and then moving toward the upside continuously in 3 4 5 4 5 again in higher prices, of course. So we're gonna see how this is going to unfold for SUI. Of course, trade safe, guys, and yeah, let's watch SUI what's gonna do. Thank you for watching, thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.